Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to watch IPTV on VLC player. Let's get started. First, open Google in your web browser. Then search for IPTV GitHub VLC playlist and press enter. On the search results page, click on the first GitHub website. Once the GitHub page opens, scroll down until you find the playlist section. There, you'll see an IPTV playlist link. Copy that playlist link. Now open VLC Media Player on your computer. In VLC, click on the Media menu in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Open Network Stream. A new window will appear. Paste the IPTV playlist link into the network URL field. Then click the play button. VLC will take a few moments to load the playlist. Once it's loaded, the IPTV channels will start playing, and you can watch them directly in VLC Media Player. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.